Good morning. It is the day of grad and I am in my pajamas and I am up 3 hours early to film this. Enjoy. I'm first going in with a powder foundation because my skin is quite oily, so I usually don't go with a liquid one. And we're just going in with the smaller brush first before covering the whole surface with a bigger brush. Next, we're going in with a liquid highlighter from Lush. This is the Feeling Younger skin tint, and I've literally had the sample for over a year, so I can't even imagine how long the full product will last. And we are going for a slightly heavier look today. So we're going in with this palette from Tarte. It is an eyeshadow palette, but we're just setting a powder highlighter on top of that. Next is eyeshadow time. So first, we're just priming our eyes, so this look will last the whole day, hopefully. We're going in with a light brown from this Too Faced palette. I absolutely love their products. I love how they're scented. It just makes it all the better. So for grad this year, I feel lucky that I do get to graduate. I know a lot of schools are doing theirs online, but we're doing sort of a social distancing grad, so everyone gets a time to go in and walk the stage, and the whole thing is taped on camera. Next, I'm dusting a shimmery cream shade in the inner corners of my eyes just to make this look stand out and pop a bit. Then to add some dimension, we're going in with this dark brown shade in the outer corners of my eye. And by the way, this whole palette smells like chocolate, just thought you should know. Next, we're just blending all three with this soft and puffy kind of brush. Then the scariest part, eyeliner. This part literally scares me so much because I always think if I mess this up, I'm gonna have to take off the whole look and put it back on just for this one black line across my eyelid. And it's done. It's not the best, but we can just bury it under our eyelashes. These are the lashes I'm using. They're literally 3 pairs for $5, which is an amazing deal for lashes. And here's how they look on. They're from YesStyle, and you can use code Honeydew for a discount. The final part of our makeup is lips. So I'm just going in with this warm pink color and applying a light layer all over my lips. Then just finishing off with lip gloss. I'm using my finger so the lipstick won't get mixed in with the clear lip gloss applicator. And here is the dress. It's actually one that I wore at my boat cruise, and this one was from Dynamite. So for hair, I'm going in with this product from Lush. It's a hair moisturizer and it literally does wonders. So right now my hair is a little poofy, a little frizzy, but once I put it in, it will be sleek. So next, I am going in with this necklace that I got from YesStyle. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you are graduating this year, then happy grad. Hope the best for you next year. And yeah, thank you. Bye.